Hello family, it's Jim Hawkins. Today is July 15th, 2026. This is a brief update on what's going on with Victory with Ash. I just wanted to share some information real quick before I start that. So I decided to do a on location. This is called Smith Mountain Lake. It's in just outside of Roanoke, Virginia. Moneta, I guess it's Moneta. This is the Westlake Center, but this is Smith Mountain Lake behind me. You can see the activity. I'll kind of pan around. There's a bunch of people with boats and sea-doos and jet skis and water skis. But anyway, enough about that. The background. As you can see, there's a pontoon boat pulling up behind me, or leaving, departing. I'm not sure. Anyway, let me get with the update. So yesterday. If you log into your Victory with Ash platform, again, you gotta log in. You gotta be part of it in order to log in. Sorry, my hair is going all over the place here. There are 2 new items that are listed. They are not functional at the moment. I will leave you to check that out for yourself, but I will share one important thing. A lot of people are asking if there's anything happening this month. Hello people. If anything's happening this month, not sure what month it's going to be. Again, I want to be a reminder to you. Back about a year ago, Ash had put out a questionnaire, and one of the questions was, are you willing to wait as long as it takes? A lot of people are saying yes, that they want to, but they're not acting like it. So again, as long as it takes, Ash, again, you continue to do what you need to do, sir. Take the time. We want it to come out right, and I know you want it as near perfect as you can. But one of the updates, again, in the Victory with Ash back office is V training. And that is very important for us because it does show that they're progressing towards the training. V training being Victory with Ash training. I do like that little catchy. In the former business, we had the O as our brand. Perhaps in this one, the V is going to be our brand, but that's just my speculation, my opinion only. But that gives me something to look forward to, and I believe it should give you all something forward to look to also. Again, things are happening. Just please be patient. I know we say this all the time, but be patient, be patient, be patient. Things are happening. They have to progress in a certain way, and we can't push that. We can't press people, but we're here to help you. The leaders are here to help you. I am following Red just did a live, and please go back and watch his. He stated a lot of stuff that we are all, it's very relevant to what's going on. Keep Red in your prayers as well for his family and for his parents. He's working, he's traveling a lot. I'd recommend go back and watch Megan Mitchell. She had a video recently. All these leaders within the company are putting out information for you guys, but you have to listen. It's going to happen. It is happening. We just have to be patient. Patient times 100. Again, I wanted to be short and sweet with this one. I wanted to still share with I had some recent health issues. I still do. I have some surgery scheduled in the near future. I'll kind of let you know how that's going. But I will be available probably to make some videos here during my downtime after my surgery. I think my last video is you got to be up when you're down. That's still relevant for us today. So again, I want to thank everyone that's out there listening, and I do want to encourage, if you are not involved in this, please message me. Let me know. Give me if you're on Facebook or you're on any kind of social media. Please get a hold of me. I'd like to share information with you. This is a free it's free. It's free. It's free. Did I say it was free? It's free. Please get with me if you're interested. Even if you're not, you may not be interested now, but I would recommend at least get into it. If it's something that you want to continue with, I would encourage you to, like I said, encourage you to message me. And I also say, even if you're in it and you choose not to be in it, you can delete it or you can get out of it. But at least be in, because as they used to call it, the early birds, you could be an early bird and at least be in it and be patient and just watch for my information that I roll out just to share what's happening. Again, if you're in it, you're in it. If you're in it, you can, like I said, you can choose not to be. But again, at least you're in it. And if it's something that you want to proceed with, then like I said, we're going to be in that together. So again, I wanted to be short and sweet. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe my channel. I try to post, like I said, I generally post when something's happening. Again, so something is happening. But as we get a little more into the future, I will probably be posting more videos. So thanks for listening. I do appreciate you. Just one more last time, check out all the fun stuff that's going on behind me. You just missed, this lake has a pontoon boat that goes around, sells ice cream. It started off as two guys just trying to make money, and it became their business, because now that's probably what they do all the time now. So anyway, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Love you guys. Like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.